Yep. This coils is getting warmer a little bit. Yeah, it's taking more time to get to head pressure because it is hot outside. Like, yeah, it's so hot and the sun, heat. Yep, it's getting warmer. It's getting warm even more. And the accumulator is starting to spread too. Alright, I guess we should wait until the this coil is completely warm. So yeah. So right now it's warm. It's getting warm even more, but not a lot. Just a little bit more because it's getting much head pressure. Yeah. Oh, this one right here is hot, but not too hot. But yeah, it's a little bit too hot. You know. Yeah. Yep, it's getting even one warmer than expected. So, so yeah, I'm going until the this coil is completely hot and warm to see how that runs. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm back, and now the coils is all completely warm now. Yep, that's so hot. Like holy crap. Damn. Yep, that's so hot. And yeah, the compressor sounds labor because it was really hot outside right now. Yeah, it sounds labor. Listen to it. Yeah, that did not sound good at all. Yeah. And yeah, the accumulator started to sweat too. But it's not much run yet, but a little bit. And it's actually, it's getting sweaty too. Oh wow. And the gas is hot because the coils. Yeah. Yeah. This execution is working very hard actually because you know it did put much head pressure and now it was really hot here. Yep, that's so hot. It feels like 113, 17, 117 degrees. Yeah. And yeah, the compressor is getting rusty a little bit because it's been started since months. I mean, it's almost a year ago. Well, actually, it is 1 year. It is 1 year ago, actually. Yeah, I just forgot, you know. Yeah. Yeah, and yeah, it's from October 2024. So yeah, it's been 1 year old. Damn. Yeah, I gotta say about this air conditioner. Yeah, this AC is working like a beast, you know, because yeah, this coil is real. It's extremely hot, and inside the cold air in my bedroom, it was really cold air too. But this one, yeah, it's like a serious heat. Yeah. Yeah, I never expect this. The coils can be hot like insane, like insane heat. And there's water on the bottom. There's not much water on the bottom. Well, a little bit, as you can see. Yeah. Yeah. It's, yeah. This is crazy. The best one AC I've ever. The best one is AC of midday air conditioner. Sorry. Yeah. Wait. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah. I was sorry about the rusty. It's getting rusty a little bit. I can see the rusty on the compressor right there on the bottom too. Yeah.